Heather, this is for you. We have a fucked up bird. Only me, right? Let's see here. Kitty. Hey, don't throw the board at it. Here. Oh, yeah. Oh, so tasty. Oh, come here.
Christian! Here!
Yeah.
Oh, watch out.
Hey. Okay.
Hey, I'm going to trade boards. Why not? It's the same exact board.
Yay! Cheese, it's everywhere. This dude's gonna break bad on me in a minute. Watch. Doom on you. Uh-uh. Where's the bird?
Cheater.
It's like it's drugged.
He lost disqualification.
It's rabbit.
He won't fly? That's weird. Watch what Avery goes.
Disqualification. You want disqualification? You lost the face, boy. Did I win that race?
I don't think he likes Cheez-Its.
He cheated twice.
He's got that evil look in his eye.
I want to play. I want to play.
We can make
I want to play.
Randolph.
Stop!
Like a damn dog.
I'm racing you, Christian. You gotta swim.
No.
Ready?
Birdie.
Let's go, please.
Watch this dude like just attack me all of a sudden. That'd be friggin' hilarious. Come here, Birdie. Come here, Birdie.
You alright?
Come here, Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Birdie. Yeah. Throw me a scrimp. Hey, step away, guys.
Yeah, there's no shrimp, but there is a fish.
Oh! Oh my! That was freaking scary. Come on. Yeah, he's tearing it up. Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie. Birdie.
Smart Seagull, like, humans are my friends, and if I act nice to them, they will feed me good.
Kevin, go back. I'm trying to make a bond. Wait, where is my bond?
Come now.
Oh, he's getting closer. Closer.
Everybody's gonna start following you, Christian.
Got a little snack for you. Come on. Oh, he wants it so bad.
Okay? Is he okay? Okay? Yeah. Oh, that's might hurt you.
Come on.
He didn't even finish the fish, like, he was just pecking at it. Really not that hungry.
Oh,
Gosh, you're back already.
this bird is fucked up. Hard night of Jaeger bombs.
No,
No, absolutely not. Great.
no.
Oh shit, he's coming after me.
They didn't get it before.
What are you doing? Mine? You're getting closer. You're starting to scare me.
Another.
I think that's 200 meals. But yeah, out here.
Yeah, he waits till the kids start.
Is that your tail?
Now, why have we done this?
How long did it take?
She? Yeah,
It's on his back. It's on his freaking back.
come on.
Oh, Abby? The baby?
You want to take a friend home together?
I do. I want him. Oh, you're so pretty. Pretty bird.
He would go right down that pond. This is good to be.
Pretty, pretty. I think he wants to love, but I'm not sure.
Look, do you see that? Look, Nick, oh. Never mind.
Hey, it's kind of fun to try to play cheese it on his back.
That's rare to see a seagull do this. Something's not right with him, man.
Hey, Seagull.
His head is all jacked up.
Look, I got another one on his back. Hey, Richie.
He's ugly, we know. Look at someone in the back.
Mm. He's foobar. Look at him. He's going to take it with him like luggage. Or he's got cheese it luggage. Man, I bet he'd attack me if I tried to pick him up. Avion flew. Hey, Kevin, back up, brother. He's going to drown himself. Yeah, Something's wrong with you. You can go after my toes.
Maybe it got hit in the head and got stung or something.
He likes to cheese it though. Look at him. What should we call him?
We should call him Cheeser Bird.
Cheese and rice. Well, at least he's eating, sorta. Maybe he'll get in the hot tub with us. He is messed up. What is wrong with him?
Does he look normal in the eyes? Like,
He looks like he's drunk. Like his eyes are like rolled back in his head. I wonder if he hit something, hit a tree or something. Oh, here's a cricket. I wonder if he'll eat a cricket. Oh, come here, little cricket. Watch this. See if he eats a cricket. Oh, get that cricket. Get that cricket. Oh.
get that cricket away from you. What kind of bird are you?
I know. He must be messed up. Get that cricket. I need like one more drink. This would be awesome. He's still got a cheese on his back. Look at him. Okay. Oh no, I'm not gonna touch you. It's okay. Cricket. Oh, I see the cricket. Look, come here, bird. Come here. Hey, watch this. Oh, get that cricket! He got the cricket!
He got it!
He loves crickets. Look at him.
He got it.
He ate the cricket.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what is he doing to it?
Is that part of the cricket?
That's part of it. Like his leg or something. He's playing with it.
So cheesy.
He just spit the rest of it up, didn't he?
I think he did.
But that cricket's dead.
Yeah, he's dead. Alright. I'm like take up all my memory on this stupid bird.